Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Coal Lake Air Base. Today I'm going to be making almond buttered spiced apples, or peanut butter spiced apples. So you can use almond butter or peanut butter. I use the natural peanut butter so it doesn't smear as nice. So I threw it in the microwave for a couple of seconds to melt it up. Cut my apple into slices and then use this guy to pop out the core. So made kind of little sandwiches, smeared my melted peanut butter onto my apple. I'm going to add some sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also go with nutmeg if you like, your call. And then I'm going to top mine because I went with peanut butter. I mean, you could do it with almond too, but I'm going to sprinkle it with raisin. You could sprinkle it with strawberries, whatever you like. Anyway, this is a good one. Way too easy, way too fast, healthy. Some protein in there and some fruit. You're good to go. Have a good one, guys. Take care.